Hello, this is the Easter Sunday Sunday school lesson for the pre-K group. Sunday school is at 10 o'clock. I do imagine we will have a few more kids than usual. So, of course, one of the child care workers will be there to help you, and I'll have more materials available than just the couple that we normally do. So, Easter Sunday, Jesus is risen is the story. This is the front of the card, so it's, the women going to the tomb and finding it empty. Mark 16, verses 1 through 8 is the reading. The first thing that I think would be neat for the kids to do, so this is on page 38 of the lesson I'll send you. It's under Peace Notes, and it's practicing a simple morning prayer. And so teaching the kids the prayer that says, when I wake up, God be with me. And there's kind of some motions, like some stretching motions that are included in the prayer. So I think that would be a nice way to get it started, especially with like a slightly larger group of kids, a little movement to get them going before they sit down and listen to the story. Then there, of course, the questions that accompany the story are on the back of the card as well. Things that say, I wonder why the women went to the tomb so early in the morning. I wonder who rolled the stone away, and I wonder why the women felt afraid. So these questions are neat. They're putting the kid kind of in the story and wondering about each piece of it and why, how would you have reacted, and would you have rolled the stone away, and things like that. So that can be, I think, interesting questions for the littlest group here as they talk about Easter morning. The activity is a craft under the Create right here, and this is on page 40 of the lesson that I'll send. I don't have a sample of it because I'm lazy. So, but what they're going to do is they're going to create a sunrise picture. So we'll have construction paper that's light blue or dark blue, and then paper plates where they can cut them in half essentially, and glue it on the bottom of the page and then color them. Any type of orange, yellow, red combination thereof that they want to do. So it looks like the sun. And then use crayons to do rays coming off of the sun. On the top of it, you can do this beforehand or help the kids write Happy Easter across the top of it. So however much skill they have will depend on how much help we need to give them in gluing and cutting and all that kind of stuff. So, but I think it'll be a pretty thing for them, and they can take it with them. They can leave it. If they leave it, we'll put it on the bulletin board. Either way is fine. So if there's anything else you see in here that you'd like to do, feel free. That is what I'll have materials for. So there's that. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.